Today I thought to clean the whole house. I started to clean one by one. I saw Jungkook arranging his bookshelf. He never let me touch it. Always does his work on his own. Me and Jungkook got arranged marriage by our parents. We both were against this marriage, but for parents' happiness, we agreed. We are totally different from each other. I got to know he is a short temper. I always try not to make mistake to him. He sometimes get very angry, so I become extra careful. I too a angry person. He is sometimes hard to control. Basically, I can't understand him properly. He is sometimes cold but sometimes caring. So I try to improve our relationship. I slowly started to fall for him, mostly for his short temper because he became a cute angry bird. I myself an angry bird. Angry person is equal to angry person is a perfect match. Why end? Take a break and then continue? He said as he nodded smiling. Jungkook, what book are there in your shelf? You asked while sitting on the sofa. Mostly my work related book and some are storybooks, he said looking at the shelf. Storybooks? You said getting stunned. I sat on the sofa taking a break. I was stunned as he said storybooks. I never thought Angry Bird reads storybooks. He was having a smile while looking at them. Yes, when I was small, my mom always reads storybooks for me to sleep peacefully, he said smiling. These storybooks are my memories. It is precious to me, so I never let anyone to touch it, he said while arranging the books. But as you are part of my life, you can touch it, he said while looking at you. Did I hear him saying I am a part of his life and I can touch his bookshelf? I was blushing while smiling. I looked away, holding my bright smile. While you look cute while blushing, he said smiling and left. That's it. I was punching my hands in the air happily. I couldn't hold my smile after that. What happened to my angry bird? He became flirty all of a sudden. Is he Jungkook or someone else? Someone please help me to identify. As I was thinking while cleaning everything in a hurry, suddenly my phone rang. Hello? YN, you're my beautiful sister, right? I need your help. Can you pick up my daughter from her school? Okay, okay. You ended the call. I knew that my sister needs something from me as she always talks smoothly to me for it. As I finished my cleaning, I thought to pick up her daughter. Jungkook was talking in his phone and I got ready to leave. I prepared lunch for him if he is hungry. He must be working on his laptop, so I left the house. I arrived at the school. Every student was coming out one by one. I was searching while looking around. I started to feel greasy. I don't know why suddenly. Why an auntie? She hugged you tightly. Mira, I missed you. Your mom told me to pick you up from school. You said while hugging her back. Mira, missed you too. Let us go, she said as she started to drive the car. After picking her up and going towards Jasmine's house to drop her safely, I sat and we talked for a long time about our memories. Finally, I arrived home. I walked towards the room. I was feeling not well and greasy. I went straight to the bedroom to rest for some time. I saw Jungkook watching TV. I drank some water to relax myself. See the serial, the female lead faking her disease to get the male lead attention. I hate this type of things, he said, turning off the TV. Jungkook, you called his name and started to cough. I was feeling not well. Suddenly, I started to cough continuously. I closed my mouth with my hand while coughing. After, I saw blood while coughing. Why? He called you while looking at the blood on your mouth. I got scared seeing blood on my hand. I saw Jungkook looking at me, so I walked towards him to ask what is happening to me. But suddenly, he pushed me away. Why? I didn't expect this from you. I hate when someone fakes something. I know you're faking it, he said as tears dropped from your eyes. He pushed me away as I got hit by a table. Tears dropped from my eyes. Seeing me crying, Jungkook came towards me, looking around as he was confused. Why? I will call the doctor now, he said, going out to call. Jungkook, Jungkook, you are so innocent, you said after he left the room, sparking and wiping the blood on the corner of your mouth.